However, not all foods are the same. The right snacks can be healthy and serve as natural sleep aids. If you're one of the 70% of Americans who struggle to get good sleep at least once a month, you may want to consider a bedtime snack. For those who feel hungry or wake up in the middle of the night, there are certain foods that can help you get back to sleep. To get better sleep quality from our food, we need ingredients such as amino acids, enzymes, and antioxidants. Below we'll explore many bedtime foods that help you sleep as backed by science. Munching on the right food 2 or 3 hours before bed can provide a boost of nutrition and promote better sleep, especially when paired with a relaxing sleep podcast. Here are some of the best foods to have for dinner or as a post-dinner snack. 1. Figs. Figs pack a concentrated blend of potassium, magnesium, calcium, and iron, which can help with blood flow and muscle contraction. These factors are important when it comes to falling asleep. A study conducted on elderly participants found that those who took magnesium had an increase in sleep time and efficiency. 2. Almonds. Almonds are a type of tree nut rich in many beneficial nutrients. They are a source of melatonin, a hormone that helps regulate your sleep-wake cycle. Eating an ounce of almonds can also provide 19% of your daily need for magnesium, which has been shown to reduce stress and help those with insomnia. 3. Walnuts. Walnuts are another tree nut packed with over 19 vitamins and healthy omega-3 fats. Similar to almonds, walnuts are often suggested to improve the quality of sleep, as they are a natural food source of melatonin. They also provide ALA, a fatty acid that converts to DHA, which helps produce serotonin, another sleep-enhancing chemical. 4. Fish. Fatty fish such as salmon, tuna, trout, and mackerel have an exceptional amount of vitamin D and omega-3 fatty acids. This powerhouse combination has been shown to increase the production of serotonin. A study found that people who ate salmon for 6 months fell asleep about 10 minutes faster than those who ate other meats. 5. Turkey. This Thanksgiving staple contains the amino acid tryptophan, which has been shown to increase melatonin production. If you have trouble falling asleep, then turkey might just be the meat you want to gobble up. 6. Lettuce. While lettuce may not sound like the most exciting bedtime snack, it's a potent one for sleep. Lettuce contains a phytonutrient called lactucarium that has been shown to promote sleep and relaxation. Don't want to eat salad? Try making some lettuce tea by pouring hot water over romaine leaves, steeping them, and adding a touch of honey for flavor. 7. Barley grass powder. Barley grass is a powerful sleep aid due to its calcium, potassium, and tryptophan content. Gamma-aminobutyric acid, GABA, a chemical made inside the brain, is also present in the plant, which has been shown to promote sleep and prevent insomnia. To enjoy it as a snack, try adding the powder to smoothies, salad dressings, soups, or just plain water. 8. Sweet potato. Sweet potatoes are not only tasty, but they are also great sources of potassium, magnesium, and calcium. Like bananas, the sweet potato's components have been shown to help you relax and lower your blood pressure before bedtime. Try adding some honey and sea salt to your sweet potatoes for some extra flavor. 9. Popcorn. A midnight munchie to get excited about. Popcorn is a whole grain packed with fiber and carbs. Carbohydrates make tryptophan, an amino acid important for sleep, more available to the brain. A study found that foods such as popcorn and nuts provided a longer sleep duration than foods such as burgers and pizza. 10. Dark chocolate. Here's another sweet bedtime treat. A study at the University of Edinburgh found that the magnesium present in dark chocolate can help a person sleep better at night by keeping their circadian rhythms in check. 11. Honey. If you have a sweet tooth, a honey-glazed snack might be just what you need. Honey contains glucose, which can help to reverse levels of orexin, a neurotransmitter in the brain that makes you more alert. 12. Tofu. Tofu is a rich source of high-quality protein, calcium, and isoflavones, a type of phytoestrogen that can increase serotonin. A study found that adults who ate 2 or more soy servings slept longer and reported better sleep quality. 13. White rice. Although it contains fewer nutrients than brown rice, white rice is rich in carbohydrates and has a high glycemic index. Studies have found that people who ate food with a high glycemic index, like rice, experienced longer sleep duration. 14. Oatmeal. Oatmeal is another food that provides a natural source of melatonin. Similar to rice, oatmeal is loaded with carbs and has been reported to induce drowsiness when eaten before bed due to creating a small rise in blood sugar. 15. Kale. Kale is a powerful leafy green packed with antioxidants and calcium. Calcium serves as another trigger for your brain to use tryptophan and unleash the sleep-promoting hormone melatonin.